Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are safe and fine. Today we'll study computer subject. In this subject, we'll study chapter number 1, computer hardware components. In previous lesson, we learned what is computer and you know that the hardware are divided into two parts. First is internal hardware and second one is external hardware. Internal hardware are the physical devices of a computer system which are present inside the CPU cabinet, such as motherboard, PCI, sound card, video card, central processing unit, RAM, ROM, disk drive, SMPS, modem, and so on. And today we'll discuss about external hardware. And the external hardware are basically divided into three parts: external input hardware, external output hardware, and external memory. So today we'll discuss external input hardware such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, light pen, digital camera, and microphone. So these are the external input hardwares. So let's start external hardware. So the external hardware are the physical devices of a computer system which are connected to the computer externally. So the external hardware are categorized as input device, output device, and storage device. So first we'll discuss about external input hardware devices. So first, input device, external input device or external input device. So the input devices enables you to enter or input data into a computer system. It means with the help of input devices we can enter our data into the computer system. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, light pen, digital camera, microphone, and so on. First, external input device is keyboard. A computer keyboard is one of the primary input device used with a computer, and it is similar to an electronic typewriter, and a keyboard is composed of buttons that create letters, numbers, and symbols as well as perform other functions. And a keyboard has many buttons which is called keys. These are 104 keys on a standard keyboard, and it is used to enter your data and give instruction to computer. And keyboard is look like in this form. The keyboard are also used for computer gaming, either with regular keyboard or by using keyboard with special gaming features. Apart from alphabet A to Z, there are several other keys for various purposes such as number key, direction key, function key, other keys. So first is number key. So there are 10 number keys 0 to 9 on all the keyboard. And the direction key, there are 4 direction keys: left, right, up, and down, which allow the cursor to move in these directions. Unlike alphabet and number keys, this key do not display anything other than moving cursor. The function keys, there are generally 12 function keys F1 to F12. These keys perform special tasks, and the task vary from program to program and system to system. Just like direction key, this key to do not print anything. And the other keys, there are several other non-printable keys for various purposes. This include caps lock, tab, control, pause, delete, backspace, spacebar, shift, enter, etc., which are used for special purpose. The next external input hardware is mouse. You know that about mouse. A mouse is a primary pointing device. This is another commonly used input device which is used to work in graphical environment with the help of pointer or cursor on the screen, and it is work on the principle of point and click. Means the pointer is used to point the object on the screen and the button present on the mouse are clicked to select the point object or the execute the required instruction. By default, the mouse is configured to work for the right hand. If you are left-handed, so the setting can be changed to suit your need. A mouse typically has two buttons, left button and right button, and mouse also include a scroll wheel between the mouse to scroll down the application window and their content also. Now we'll discuss the operations of the left button. The mouse uh, the mouse has contained two types of button, left button and right button. So first left button operations. First option pointing, second left clicking, double clicking and dragging. Pointing means pointing to an item on the screen, means moving a pointer to a certain location. Left clicking means to click an item, point to an item on the screen, then press and release the left button. Double clicking means it is used to open items on your desktop or other place. And dragging, it is used to move file or folder to a different location and to move windows and icon around to your screen. And the operation of right buttons. So right clicking, it is usually used to display a list of things you can do with the item. To right click an item, point to the item on the screen and then click the right button. Next, types of mouse. According to technology, the mouse are divided into four categories. First is mechanical mouse, second trackball mouse, third optical mouse and fourth wireless mouse. So first is mechanical mouse. This types of mouse has a rubber ball which spin in all directions. The free movement of ball on the flat surface moves the pointer on the monitor screen. In the trackball mouse, this types of mouse, there is a socket having sensor fixed in it which track the movement of the ball to move the mouse pointer on the screen. The third is optical mouse. Unlike the traditional mouse, they do not have a mouse ball but they have optical sensors which uses laser technology to track the movement of mouse pointer, and they respond more quickly and precisely than the mechanical mouse. And now we all are using optical mouse. The next is wireless mouse. So these types of mouses are extremely popular these days because they provide connectivity without wire or cable. The transmitter in mouse send electromagnetic signal for the computer to detect its movement and click. So these are the four types of mouses categorized according to technologies. The next external input device is scanner. So this input device scan images from photographs, poster, magazines directly into the computer. Or we can say that a scanner is an input device that scans documents such as photographs and pages of text. This creates an electronic version of the document that can be viewed and edited on a computer. Basically, there are two types of scanners available. So, first is flatbed scanner, and second, handheld scanner. So, first is flatbed scanner, a scanner that provides a flat glass surface to hold a sheet of paper, books, or other object for scanning. The scan head is moved under the glass, and it has a flat surface made of glass where the item to be scanned in place. It works like a photocopy machine, and the flatbed scanner is look like in this form. Next is handheld scanner, a scanner that is moved by hand over the material being captured. Handheld scanners are small and less expensive than their desktop counterparts. And this scanner is used by dragging it over the object that is to be scanned. It is most commonly used in shopping stores. And the handheld scanner is look like in this form, and it is also called the barcode reader. The next external input device is light pen. The light pen is a pointing device which is used to select a displayed menu item or draw picture on the monitor screen. This is an input device which looks like a real pen and is used by directly pointing on the monitor screen. It senses the screen coordinates with the help of a sensor mounted on its tip and convert information into digital signal. Or it consists of a photocell and an optical system placed in a small tube. When its tip is moved over the monitor screen and pen button is pressed, its photocell sensing element detect the screen location and send the corresponding signals or information into the CPU. The next hardware input device is digital camera. This is input device and it is used to take photographs. The photograph from the camera can be transferred to the computer with the help of a data cable or with the help of memory card or card reader. And digital cameras hold a memory card that stores the photographs, and the memory card be taken out of the camera, and the photo can also be put into the computer using a card reader. Means with the help of card reader you can input your photographs into the computer. The next external input device is microphone. Microphone is an input device which helps to send voice signal to the computer. It receives sound wave and convert them into electronic or electrical signal which can be processed by the computer. Or in other words, a microphone is a device that captured audio by converting sound waves into an electronic signal. This signal can be amplified as an analog signal or may be converted to a digital signal which can be processed by a computer or other digital audio device.